Stop cracking your neck like this. You think it relieves tension, but you are actually playing Russian roulette. Inside your neck, there are two major arteries that carry blood to your brain. When you snap your neck aggressively, you can tear the inner lining of these arteries. This causes a blood clot to form. If that clot travels to your brain, it causes a stroke. A 28-year-old man paralyzed half of his body just by cracking his neck in the morning. Stretch your neck gently. Do not snap it. Subscribe to Body Files to stay alive.